What's up, guys? Welcome to my first ever video. Today we're playing Animal Company with this guy or girl. I don't know what the frick it is.
I'm a guy.
Alright, let's go! Alright.
Okay.
We're gonna go mining.
I'm broke, boy. Oh, wait. Yeah, I got you.
Alright, bro.
Got you. Take this. It's better.
Yippee! Now, guys, this is a brand new account, and you might be asking, if this is a new account, how do you already have this stuff unlocked? Because I was grinding on it before. Anyways, we got this.
Should I take any other weapons?
Nah, we don't need weapons where we're going.
Ah, that's true.
Come on, boy.
Wait, you forgot something really, really important.
Backpack.
A bag.
Ow!
Sorry.
You just hit me in the head.
Backpack?
Okay,
brown backpack?
I got 2 backpacks in here. I can give you one.
Sure.
All right.
Empty or full? Okay, it's empty. We'll give myself a big bag.
Cause I gave myself the blue one because I'm blue.
Let's try and get eat as much gold as we can. Gold is worth the most.
I'm here for them.
You should.
Hey!
When I was a child,
You're
Yo! Not so friendly guy. If you're coming where I am, there's not so friendly guy, and I should put your light out.
Nah, what are you talking about? This is my best friend, Jeff. Jeff! I haven't decided if this is going to be a family-friendly channel yet.
It's booty cheeks stuff.
Yeah! As a child, I went deeper into the mines. Y'all, there's a big boy down there. All right, big boy, stand in! Sorry, guys, I screamed like a little girl. I don't know if it sounds like that on the video, though. Driving in my car after a bit. Alright, guys, and welcome to my Minecraft Let's Play.
Which floor are you? I kinda lost, bro.
I just saw you go up. Right. I'm basically at the bottom. Bro, my tracking just tweaked out. Oh, my bad.
My head hurts.
My head hurts.
Dude, my balls hurt.
Hey man, you can't say that. This is gonna be a family-friendly channel.
Oh.
I'm just kidding, I don't care what you say. As long as it's not racist, I'm fine with it.
Aw, that's sad. That's my favorite word. I'm joking.
Whoa, buddy.
I'm just joking with you, man.
Because of what you're saying, I'm gonna have to make this video 18 plus. It's only gonna be for the 79 8-year-old grandpas.
Or the actual people that verify their channels 18 plus for no absolute reason.
So they tell me that you're looking for a monkey like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a monkey like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a gorilla like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a gorilla like me.
Alright, bro, if we sing a song, we're gonna have to make it a parody because I'm not trying to get copyrighted or whatever.
Okay, we have to make a gorilla version.
So they tell me that you're 44 gorilla like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a chicken jockey. Oh my god!
You're looking for
Alright.
a spider with a peep.
King Jorel!
Oh, you have a really big butt. I never noticed that.
What?
I don't want to clap it.
Yo,
You're
what
nothing,
the?
okay?
Bro's getting freaky over there with a spider. He want his 8 legs, if you know what I mean.
Damn, this gorilla's hot. I'm gonna put a flashbang on. Bro. Uh-oh. Hey, bro, I kinda enjoy vaping. Look. I kind of enjoy it, you know? Wanna take...
Wee.
We missed a lot of gold, you know that?
I know.
What's
All right.
gold? You could have told me.
I've never went into this before.
Bro, okay, so we're going to my ass.
Obama have did
Wee.
I am getting tormented by 5 silly little spiders.
I've never been in this area before.
Just so you know, you're gonna hate yourself.
Why?
Because it actually kind of is what it says. It's kind of help.
It's gonna be...
Bro, this place is so deep. Finally? Do I have to go any
We're not done
further?
yet. Yes, good.
Oh my god, why is this place so deep?
Oh, just so you know, we still have to go we have to go to a slide.
Ba 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 ba.
My ears! My ears!
Ah, my ears!
ears!
I have my volume
Over
at max.
Same here. Because lots of those kids in this game. Oh, there it is.
Oh.
Lots of the kids in the game are as quiet as I don't know, they're quiet as fuck.
Alright.
So they tell me that you're collecting my secret like a girl like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a monkey like me.
So they tell me that you're looking for a gorilla like.
Seriously? It goes deeper!
My arse is
My arse is the size of ours.
Oh!
so
Oh,
now
it's
kind of
place.
know. So just so you know, there's eyes, and if there's like a target thingy under you, go behind something. And now
I
you
hate
cannot
this
kill
place.
it with this. Yeah, but you can get the most money.
Oh! Fudge!
I just farted. Yes.
Rickle stickle. I can't
Follow
cuss
me.
us. Bro, you're gonna be hearing a bunch of goofy words.
I know what words you're gonna say, but I'd rather not say this on the channel.
I can't.
I'll get canceled.
I can't be cussing, so I have to say some goofy ass words.
Okay, hi, buying something if it targets you.
I can't see! It's too black!
I hate black people.
It's too black! Stop! Stop this! I can't see! I can barely see!
I can't.
Yo, there's like some magma ore.
Run for your life right now. Run. Dude, are you dead?
Almost.
Same here.
Yeah, now I am. Alright. Well. Yo, dude, die. We gotta do this. Epic style.
Hell right.
Alright, guys, while we wait for him, we're gonna go
Don't
do
worry,
some...
it'll be quick.
We're gonna go do some fun stuff. He's never gonna know.
I'm getting it right now. I got it.
Fudge.
I'm running for the exit.
Alright.
Are you still with me?
Magical.
Okay, I'm almost back.
Alright, guys.
Okay.
Yo, come into the stage 5 area in the new map.
Alright. Where the heck are you?
Stage 5 in new map.
In what?
The new map in the shop. Guys, I don't think he has more than 2 brain cells.
I'm getting us some money. Boom.
Alright, come on.
Okay, I got us a bit of money.
Bro, where are you?
I'm over here.
Come on.
Hey, just give me a moment.
Haha.
No, this. No, actually, kind of good. Can you be sick on this?
Kaboot!
No, it can't. It's horrible.
Alright, come on.
You know
Follow me.
what? What are you even planning to make?
Follow me and I will show you what I want to do. It starts with...
It starts with going here, then with.
Kaboot!
You son of a bitch!
Alright. Alright.
We can just respawn.
I need this
Even
what
us.
I'm gonna do for the video. Come on.
Okay, you gotta take it to the building.
Alright.
Wait, no, stop. Okay, stop it. Okay. Now. Yeah.
Alright, stick down on
Why? I
something.
don't... Shrink down. How the hell do I shrink down? How can I
Alright,
shrink
guys.
down?
Alright. So guys, this is the end of the video and we're gonna end it off with a boom!
Oh my god! By the way, can I touch your booty cheeks?
Alright guys, so that's it for today. If you want a part 2 of this,
Bro, that ending was such a blast. Get it?
as I was saying, if y'all want a part 2, then leave a comment.